What's up, everybody? My name's Afro Samurai Gaming, and today I'll be unboxing the PS5. Yeah. And I'm so excited about it. I've been waiting months to get this. It was very difficult for me to get. Like, I was finally happy that I was able to get one. And to those out there who like PlayStation and trying to get a PS5, good luck. Now, let's get into this unboxing vid. Yeah, just need this. All right. Yeah, look at that right there. Okay, cool. Now to open this up. Okay, now let's see what we have here. Of course, here's the manual for the PS5. I'll probably look into that later. There's the safety guide, and of course, here's one of the cables. Here's one of the cables for it, which, yeah, another one. And we got the control. And here we have the controller. Damn, man, this feels so smooth. This feels so smooth, man. DualSense controller here, right here. Yeah, cool. And of course, there's the PlayStations. And here's the stand for the console. Right here. Whoops. Yeah, sorry about all that. Anywho. And this is pretty heavy. And the grand finale, of course. Check it out, everybody. Here it is. Yeah, I'm very happy about this. Damn, it looks nice. It looks hella nice. I can't wait to hook this up later when I get the chance to. All right. Yep. Put it like this. Hopefully it'll stay. Now, let me go and look for that. Oh, it's right here. Yep. It looks nice, right? Yeah, just wanted to, in advance, I just want to say sorry that I accidentally dropped everything. yeah. But yep, I have everything here. Man. Like, I would have did the video earlier, but I did make a promise that I did promise my friend that we would do the unboxing video together. So yeah. Side note. Side note. Still. And then of course, there's a third. Let's see if it came with anything else. I'm guessing it doesn't. Yeah, hang on a moment. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm so happy I was able to get myself one of these. I have no idea how fast these things sell out. And then, when it finally arrived to my house, when it finally came to my house, I was like, man, I feel relieved. So yeah. I'm gonna go back to this controller because damn, I still can't get over the fact of how smooth this thing feels. Of course, this is where and of course, I got the stand, which you can only I'm not sure how the stand goes. Oh, here it is. Yeah, I don't know, but it feels nice. So, let me just go in the manual again. Of course, PS5 Quick Start Guide, Sony. It basically just gives steps on how to hook up the PS5 and everything, which, like I said, I'll do all that later when the time comes. And of course, it's backwards compatible. So you could play any PS4 game on here, depending on the game. Because certain PS4 games can't be played on PS5, which I dig when I did some research looking into. Oh, my bad. I just realized I forgot this cord, which of course is the cable to connect to the controller to where it will charge it. Which I'll tell you I'm gonna tell you the truth. I won't really be using this much because I ordered the charging station for the PS5 controllers. So I'm waiting on that, and when that arrives, I'll mostly just be using the charging station instead of this. Like this, I'll just probably have put away. But yes, I knew I was missing something. I'm like, just 2 cords? Usually it's supposed to have 3. I found the 3rd cord, so there's that. Man. I'm so happy I got this console. And as I said, to those out there who like PlayStation and is trying to get themselves a PS5, good luck to you. Okay, now I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I'll be going now. Goodbye.